So now Bank Nifty, let's have a look into its order flow, what's happening there. Yes, volumes first 5 minutes had a short position, then after that those short position got absorbed by the buyers. They again pushed the prices back to the upper level. I believe order flow is running negative. I believe it is good to create a short position in Bank Nifty. Let me log in into my Nest terminal. Let me now start buying. I'll buy two options, that is first of all, I'll take 36,000 put option, currently trading at 250 or something, and I'll also take 35,800 put option, which is currently trading at 115 or something. And this one also I'll buy. And I'll wait now. That's all I have to do. Wait. So yeah, so this is my position, right? Oh, okay. Where is my other position? दूसरी position शायद add नहीं हुई है. It is pending order. Wow. Oh, executed. Good. So F6. Okay. All right. So yeah. So let's see. I can see right now still selling only, guys. मेरे पास कोई रीजन नहीं है कि मैं बाय करूं. मुझे होल्ड ही करके रखना है. Okay. That's all I have to do. Let's see if prices, if they start giving downward movement, maybe till like 690 or something, then I can start doing trailing. यहाँ तक अगर पहुंच जाता है निफ्टी बैंक स्पॉट प्राइस, I can start looking for trailing of prices in it. Currently profit is running around 400 or something. I got only one quantity filled in 36,000 put option. Rest of the quantities are still pending. That's fine. And I got 175 quantity filled in 35,800 put option. Okay, so guys, so today is 8th of July 2021. Yeah, so in the morning session we conducted live session wherein we told people that when Bank Nifty started moving up, it was having net short positions, right? So it was completely logical for us that if prices are giving a breakout above this price area, then it is completely logical for us to look for short position, because they were moving up with net short position. So ultimately this is where we created buy position in put option, and prices started moving up and up. When prices started coming down, that's where our 1:1 risk reward ratio was achieved. So we booked partial profit in that, and then finally prices started coming down, so we started trailing rest of the quantity. Now as per lots of other internal data of how currently buy and sell scenario is taking place in Bank Nifty. So what I have done, I have taken out of the profit that I have done, I have created another short position right now by purchasing out of the money put option, right? And there are a couple of reasons behind that. So because see, futures are currently trading at a price of I'll show you, they're currently trading price of 35,760 or something, but spot is more than 100 points below that. And if at all this spot, if futures it starts showing aggressive selling today, then obviously spot will also be going down. And if at all spot reaches around 518, this will become at the money. And right now the delta of this option is very low. But yes, if at all excessive selling appeared in Bank Nifty, it is able to reach around here, then after becoming at the money option, if for every downfall in the prices we will be getting comparatively higher profits. So what I have done now, when these candles they were trading around here, that's where took a small risk of 5,000. I took a risk of small 5,000 risk. Capital I deployed is 20,000. So I purchased at 23.2 3529, I purchased 1000 quantity of Bank Nifty 35500 put option, and all I'm doing now is holding it. And if at all prices come down below my buy price area, if at all, you know, I start getting a loss of around like 5000 or something, then, you know, that is like 5 rupee of loss. With 5 rupee of loss, if I get a if I get around 5 rupee of loss, then, you know, I'll be closing my position with loss. But if at all prices keep on moving further up and up, then I can keep on holding on to them. And I am looking for breakout, a good breakout on the downside in Bank Nifty. If prices give a breakout on downside and a big blast appears, then there will be higher potential for these prices to even reach around 77, or maybe, you know, the highest price of the day, 79.80 or something like that, you know, they can achieve. So let's see whether that will happen or not. And after this, you know, there can be a very good potential for prices to even reach around 148. So with the stop loss of only 5 rupee, I'm looking for a very high target of around 100 points, maybe 123, 125 or something. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, once this risk reward ratio is achieved, that's fine. See, even if I book loss in this trade, that is also fine, because in morning, you know, you can see here, I have already booked 4,600 in 35,800 put option, and 36,000 in 36,000 put option I booked 840 rupees, and 5,499 was the profit, total profit that I have already booked. And this is current running profit of 35,500 put option, which I purchased. You know, net rate is 23.29 and purchase quantity is 1,000 at a price of 23.29. So let's see, you know, what lies ahead. We'll keep on holding it for as long as possible. And yes, now I'll put my screen, you know, on record now, and let's wait for, you know, higher targets. Okay. Prices got frozen there, but ठीक है, I'm done. 95,000 profit booked total and done for the day. ठीक है, देखिए 120 पर प्राइस फ्रीज हो गए थे, तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता था उसमें, मुझे एग्जिट करना ही था.